Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dazzling Bahir. Today I'll be drawing a velociraptor and at the end I'm going to tell you some cool fact about this creature. So let's begin. That's it for today's velociraptor drawing. Now, some cool facts about velociraptors. Did you know velociraptors were covered in feathers, not scales like shown in the movies? Their claws were up to 9 centimeters long, perfect for grabbing prey. They were about 2 meters long and weighed about 30 kgs, but were likely very intelligent. The fossil evidence suggested that they hunted in groups, and also they were very fast runners. Their estimated speed were around 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. With the great speed they were having a very sharp eyesight. They likely had an excellent vision, helpful for hunting. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this dino art, hit the like button and subscribe for more drawing. Comment below what drawing do you want should I make next. See you in the next video. Bye bye.